Howdy all, my name is James Eatock and welcome to He-Man and She-Ra Friday Night Trivia on Serial Geek TV. With this weekly series, I showcase a piece of trivia that I've personally uncovered or stumbled upon over the last few decades. And anyone that knows my background with He-Man and She-Ra will be aware that I've uncovered a lot. And now for your enjoyment, I present to you the original Stridor? First appearing in the Season 1 He-Man and the Masters of the Universe episode A Friend in Need, we see that within the grounds of the Royal Palace, android horses are stored. Teela and the meek Alina use the horses which, even though robotic in nature, are frightened by the explosive geysers of the geyser field.
Oh no! The geyser field! Hurry before the gas overcomes us!
Throughout the first season, the android horses would pop up in the episodes The Royal Cousin and even A Tale of Two Cities, where they were used by the noble people of Operon. Methinks that wasn't a connection to Eternos, just a means to an end visually. The final appearance of the android horse design in the episode Pawns of the Game Master gives some hint as to the origin of the steed, with Prince Adam referring to it as Stridor, not Stridor, Stridor.
All you have to do is sit in the saddle and say, "Forward, Stridor!" Go! Nay! Give him all!
By the time the premiere episode of the final 32 episodes entered production, Origin of the Sorceress, Mattel had created their mighty robotic steed, Stridor, and the android horses we had seen up until this point would never show up again, retired by a steed that had an accompanying toy. That said, by the end of the episode, Stridor's act of heroism, saving Eternia from Morgoth, the now emotionally driven Stridor heads out into the wild, never to return. Aww. I hope you enjoyed that little piece of trivia. Now it is time for us to take a look at the He-Man and She-Ra production artwork of the week. And that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday.